Hey there, folks. If you're a Capital One Savor cardholder who's just moved or needs to update your billing address, you're in the right place. Today, I'm walking you through the simple steps to make this change quickly and hassle-free. It's super important to keep your address up to date to avoid any delays in billing or missed communications, so let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Capital One account. You can do this through the Capital One mobile app or their website. If you're using the app, open it up and enter your username and password. Once you're logged in, head over to the main dashboard where you can see your accounts. Next, locate your Savor card account. Tap or click on it to access the details. Now, look for the Settings or Profile section. It's usually represented by a gear icon or something similar. In this area, you'll find options for personal information, including your address. Once you're in the address section, you should see your current billing address displayed. Hit the Edit or Change button. It's straightforward and intuitive. Enter your new address carefully, double-checking for accuracy like street names, city, state, and zip code. Capital One might ask for verification, so be prepared to confirm this via email or a security code sent to your phone. After you've inputted the new details, save your changes. You'll probably get a confirmation message right away, letting you know the update was successful. And just like that, you're done. One quick tip. If you're changing your address due to a move, remember to update it with other services too, like your bank or utilities, to keep everything in sync. If you run into any issues, Capital One's customer support is there to help. Just check their website for contact options. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more handy guides like this. See you next time.